Welcome to 2716 to Forest Avenue, tucked into the heart of the Wrigley neighborhood in Long Beach. This is the kind of home that makes sense. Whether you're buying your first place, ready to move up from condo living, or looking to downsize without sacrificing quality, this one checks the boxes. Set on a quiet, secluded street next to a natural greenbelt, the home feels peaceful the moment you arrive. There's clear pride of ownership throughout, and it shows in the condition. It's clean, well-maintained, and completely move-in ready. No projects required. Just unpack and start living. You get the lifestyle that comes with Long Beach. Great food, strong community, quick access to downtown, the beach, Orange County, and LA, all while still having a true neighborhood feel. Homes like this are hard to find because they offer real value, not just a price tag. This is an opportunity to own a piece of Southern California in a way that actually feels attainable. Welcome home.